The toughest thing when you are trying to manifest is letting go of your desire. Since you are constantly thinking about that goal and you want to reach that goal or you want to get that person or that opportunity so much that not getting that or even a slight delay may feel like the end of the world. So what to do when you are so much attached emotionally to the outcome? Hi, I am Rana, your manifesting bestie, and in this video, we are going to talk about how to let go of your desires so that you can finally get out of your way and manifest your desires. So, let's not waste any more time and let's get started. So, while manifesting, one of the mistakes that we do is that we think of that person, that opportunity, or that thing way above us. So if you are manifesting a job, you just think that the job is like the highest possible thing in the world. So for you, you are below that. You are chasing that thing, right? That's why there is a mismatch in the vibration. So since you are not in that high vibration or you keep that opportunity in such a high vibration that it is impossible for you to reach there, which happens because we don't see ourselves as great as we are actually. So what we think is that that company or that job or that opportunity is the prize and we are just someone who is competing for that prize. But that is not actually true. It does not always mean that that opportunity is needed for you to be successful. Our success and the life you want can come in many different ways, right? We all know about the infinite universes. In every universe, you made different decisions and different outcomes came, right? It's not like you will be successful in only one of them. You will be successful in many of them, right? And that is because the moment you thought that the outcome is your reality, no matter what path you take. If you have ever seen my video, if you ever want to trust me on anything, trust on this one. The moment you think of something, the moment you think of your dream life, you are thinking about that because that is already a reality in any one of them. So no matter what happens, you are going to reach there. Just one opportunity or one person is not gonna hamper your whole life. Just think about where you are right now. Maybe you have a job or maybe you have a partner or whatever you wanted happened. It must not have happened exactly how you thought. That's why whatever we think, no matter how much we plan, no matter how many plans we have, it will never happen according to plan. You just have to trust yourself. That's why it's said that the moment you let go of the desire, the moment you understand that if I get it or not, it does not matter. The moment you say that about anything and the moment you think, you will see you will get everything that you want. That's why so many people get their loved ones when they are not at all searching for love. This is because they are in such a high vibration that they think that they don't need love at all. No matter if I get someone or not, I am very happy in my life. Since they are that happy, since they are already in the love vibration, they attract love very easily. Same happens for money or even job. When I was in college and I was giving interviews and exams, so two of the companies came and I did not get. So after that, I just decided that no matter what, I get a job in college or not, I just know that I have studied, so I will get a job anyway. I just stopped putting so much pressure in my head and just thinking about like what will happen when I get the job. Will I get the job? I just stopped connecting my self-worth with whether I get a job or not. And the moment that I did that, and the next company that came, I easily got that job because I had that vibration. No matter if I get that job or not, it's not gonna hamper my studies, my career, or my life in any way at all. If you are not in the same vibration as love, as money, as that opportunity, if you are thinking of that thing as a very high achievement than yourself, then there is a very high chance that that won't stick. That's why I always give the examples of Kaun Banega Crorepati winners. They get so much money, right? We all want that much amount of money. But they get those 5 crore rupees and they don't become billionaires. In fact, they become broke again because they are not in the same vibration as that amount of money. That's why it is very important that you let go of your desires while manifesting. Only then you can actually manifest your desires very easily. Now comes the second part. How to do that? How to let go of your attachment? Because it does not just happen with a switch, right? So that's why you need to be in that vibration. So if you are trying to manifest love, You have to love yourself so much that you won't need anyone, because like attracts like. So if you are in that vibration, only then you will get. If you want to earn more money, for example, then already think of yourself as rich. Don't say that I will be a rich woman or I will be rich. When you are saying that I will be rich, this exactly means that you are not rich right now. You are broke or you are poor, but that is not true. So if you want to manifest money, you have to in the vibration that you are rich right now, right this moment you have that opportunity. And see, when you have that opportunity, when you are already rich, you are not constantly thinking about how to become rich. Once you get in that energy, you will see that you are not constantly thinking about getting that part, how to get that. And if you still have problems, I would suggest to start journaling. You can journal out why you are not able to manifest that, or why you are thinking that it is happy, why you are thinking that you are not in that energy, or how you think this is going to happen. And also show yourself the proofs that how before also you have thought of your life going in a certain way, but it did not. But it did turn out great, right? You did not surrender. So this time also it won't be any issue. Since you are watching this video, maybe you have something that you want to let go of. Just remember that you are already in that world. You are already amazing and you are already deserving of that. If you think that that particular company or that particular job is greater than you, it's not. That job, that company will be blessed to have you. Or maybe you are thinking about having someone special. That person will be lucky to have you. It's not the other way around. The moment you switch that mindset, you will see it will be very, very, very easy for you to let go of the desires, because you already have that person, because you already have that job. And I always say one thing when I'm trying to manifest is that this or better. I am this person, I have all these things or better. So when you use or better, even if you don't get that particular thing, you always think that okay, something better is coming. And actually that is the truth. Even if you don't understand it that very moment, but that is true, right? Universe always wants you to be the best, always wants the best. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for coming to my videos and showing me so much love in all of my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.